Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you are doing great. So in today's video I will show you how to print nth terms of number. It means it will print all numbers till then. So what I did here, I just use a for loop while I equal to 1 and the condition I less than equal n and plus plus I or I plus plus. You can use both of them, and I print I serious and I print I serially. So if I run the program, so let's the number 50. So you can see it prints all the numbers. So that is the video. So you can also while loop or do while loop here. So today's video is very short and very easy, and thank you so much. And if you face with any kind of problem, please don't be shy to comment us. Thank you so much everyone. Inshallah we will meet soon with new video.